Hi, I'm Brian Anderson. Today I'm going to demonstrate and show you the Norton sharpening rod. Sharpening rod is for sharpening only. So after you hone to straighten your edge, you want to sharpen. Okay? There's many ways to sharpen a blade. You could use a sharpening stone. This is a quick and easy way to sharpen your knives. The knives we have here today are generally going to be the workhorses in the DIY chef's kitchen. So it's generally a chef's knife and a carving knife. These are going to be the workhorses in your kitchen more often than not. So with the new sharpening rod, we have to have a slight angle when sharpening each side, and we want to sharpen each side evenly. So generally it's going to be 7 to 8 times per side, depending on the dullness of your blade. So I'm just going to demonstrate. What I want to do is I want to line up the rod straight up and down at a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to put my knife angle at about 15 to 20 degrees, okay? And I'm just going to take the length of the knife and drag down. I'm going to do it evenly on each side, okay? So that's once on each side, twice, and I like to go slow because we are removing a little bit of material here and there is going to be resistance, so take your time. Now try your carving knife. Around the holidays, you're doing big roasts, turkey, this is where you're going to be. So we're going to do is apply the same technique. That should be plenty. Okay, and if you're going to cut anything, always wipe off the blade. Damp cloth or just run it under your faucet works just the same. Do it for both knives. Now that we've sharpened our knives, we got to test them. So let's try a tomato. That's the #1 test for any chef in any kitchen. Let's see how we cut a tomato with 0 pressure, just using the blade and its sharpness. And that's what you want to see. I'm putting no pressure on that, I'm just cutting. Keeping fingers in, of course. Perfect slices. We're cutting, we're not mashing. One great feature about the sharpening rod is it will fit into your butcher block set of knives, and it's a good spot for it because it is fragile and non-reinforced.